spinning. I might need a minute. I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bout it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be your now, I could be your next. I could be the one to relieve your stress. When we talk about sex, she unzip that dress. Bless, maybe one day I could take it. Give it to me, cause I'm tired of waiting. I'm like the latest, #1 play on your playlist. Don't trip if these other girls play it. And I don't like to fight, you the type that I'd like to wife. Guy feeling like life is nice, at the movies eating Mike and Ike's. And if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it.
See,
yeah.
I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Champagne for breakfast, first things first, never put you second. Girl, don't be stressing, I forgot to mention I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man but that shit is cool, right? And if you like, you can stay for the night. Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit. You could be the one if you wanted to, or you got games, you could keep that shit. Girl, come and let me know what you wanna do.
Be who you wanna be. I will not blame you. Do what you wanna do. Don't wanna play you. If you would come with me, then I would take you anywhere you want to go. Yeah. Even if you're looking for the one, and I couldn't be him, you'd be sure to see in that I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl. And I don't know if I'll see you later, so I'm bout it. If you bout it, yeah.
Ruel, stop playing.
Yeah, I see you got that new Mercedes. I might let you drive me crazy. Usually I ain't the type to stay, cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You look like somebody that could really hold it down. You look like somebody that would always stick around. Got Latina in you, so I know you probably crazy. All my friends to stay away, but that shit just don't faze me. Got a little bit of sassy, I like that. You don't take no shit, yeah, you fight back. Never let a dude hit it on the first night. I can't even sleep over till I wife that. All these bitches in my phone hit the boy, but I've been curving everyone for you. Yeah. Girl, I would give you every single password. All you gotta do is let me through. Yeah, I'ma keep it honest. I know that you got a pass. I know you ain't perfect, but basic bitches never last. Yeah, I don't usually do this type of shit, so baby, trust me when I tell you that I'm all about it. Yeah, yeah, I might fall in love and let you fuck my life up, just so I can go and write a song about it. Yeah, I see you got that new Mercedes. I might let you drive me crazy. Usually I ain't the type to stay. Cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my
Let's get it. Let's get it. Boom. How's everybody doing? It's been a little minute, but we are back on it. Starting up top, right? Checking out the weekly here. Right, imbalance here. Right, new week opening gap down, right, from September 24. We have this short-term low. Right, that single low inside an imbalance. Right, I think the low and the open is very similar. Yeah, it's the same, the low and the open, so there's no wick, right? Might come down, purge that low, right? That's liquidity inside this imbalance, that weekly imbalance, right? Generating more liquidity this week by creating the short-term low, almost relatively equal to that, this single low here, which is about 10 handles off. All right, so that's looking good. Relatively equal highs here still. Imbalance, volume imbalance here. Let's drop over to the daily trading inside this imbalance that we had marked up from last week. Volume imbalance, inefficiency, right? Inefficiency. We did pan outside of those lines, right? Traded up into this daily SIBI here on the 12th. Right, but looking for some short-term highs and lows to get put in while we're right around this area. Right, potentially, right, waiting for that shift in market structure for the to the upside. Clean that up a little bit. Right, so we just be looking for some highs and lows, get some displacement. Do have a short-term high here. See if we get some displacement above that low short-term high. Right, but just looking for some overall highs and lows to get put in. Right, get some good clean structure going here. Right, we do have news dropping at 10 a.m. So in about 4 minutes here, we'll get a low red folder. Nothing too crazy on the hourly. 15-minute. Had a slight drop in New York or London session. Right, but nothing too crazy to go off of, right? We're just following bullish order flow here. Right, short-term high, low high, imbalance, dropped into that imbalance, right? Kept on moving, working higher. Right, so we do have the previous day's high liquidity that we're approaching right now. Right, that's some buy side liquidity here. So we'll see how we interact with that. But yeah, we got that news dropping here in about 3 minutes or so.
as hell, but that don't mean I want you back. No, I ain't foolish now. I can't look stupid now. 22, I got my mind right. I learned girls like you ain't my type. I had to let you go to see the real you. That shit, it opened
Alright,
up
so we'll
my
be patient. We got a new red folder to drop in here in about a couple minutes.
See you roll your eyes when I would mention the bench. You told me get a backup plan and watch what I spent. Now you living with your parents, got them paying your rent. I tried to get you hip and get you motivated, but you ain't got no passion, you just smoking lately. Every single day, all you wanna do is lay. Girl, there's nothing left to say. I'm just glad we parted ways. Yeah, I'm glad we parted ways. I just seen you on the gram, I'm glad you doing well. You still look cute as hell, but that don't mean I want you back. No, I ain't foolish now. I can't look stupid now. Party ways, yeah, we party ways. Yeah, we party ways, yeah, we party ways. Yeah, we party ways.
Yeah, we parted ways. What a season. I'm not searching for love for no reason. Yeah, just for it to go to waste. I would rather drown a rabbit bag around my face. Ay, keep my mind straight. No phone on vibrate. Annihilate any bullshit thrown up in my way. I remember when we used to chill at my place. Thought you were the one. Now I'm looking at you sideways. Goddamn, man, it's funny how things change. Back then I would've bought you a wedding ring. Now it just seems strange, but I still feel the pain.
I just seen you on the gram, I'm glad you doing well. You still look cute as hell, but that don't mean I want you back. No, I ain't foolish now. I can't look stupid now. Party
Alright,
ways,
initial move dropping down. Right here.
yeah, we party ways, yeah, we party ways. Yeah, we party ways.
Right, just given the initial move, we might see. Right, might have to wait till around the 10:30 turn. Alright, around the 10:30 turn. Let's see if we get some more price action filling in.
Fuck you and you and you. I hate your friends and they hate me too. I'm through. This that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that throw up in your Birkin bag. Hook up with someone random. This that social awkward suicide. That by your lips and by your likes. I swear she had a man, but shit hit different when it's Thursday night. That college dropout music every day like that. She be too thick and my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. This the 10K on the table just so we can be secluded. And the vodka came diluted. One more line, I'm superhuman. Fuck you and you and you. I hate your friends and they hate me too. I'm through. This that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum. Fuck you and you and you. I hate your friends and they hate me too. Fuck you and you and you. This that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum. This that hot girl bummer two-step. They can't box me in, I'm too left. This that drip is more like oceans. They can't fit me in a Trojan. Out of pocket, but I'm always in my bag. Yeah, that's the slogan. This that who's all there. I'm pulling up with an emo chick that's broken. This that college dropout music every day like that. She be too thick and my friends are all annoying, but we go dumb, yeah, we go stupid. This the 10K on the table just so we can be secluded. And the vodka came diluted. One more line, I'm superhuman. Fuck you and you and you. I hate your friends and they hate me too. I'm through. This that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum. Fuck you and you and you.
Alright, we'll see some highs and lows get formed. Right, but we generated relatively equal highs here. Right? We still have that daily bearish order flow. Right, but yesterday we swept some sell side liquidity. Right, so we'll see if we start forming some short-term highs and lows as we just purge that low here, potentially going for these relatively equal highs that we generated right before the news. So be patient for that.
Come alive at nighttime, I think it's the right time. Little bit of Hennessy mixing with the white wine. Kiss the sun goodbye, the stars are in your eyes. We go up like balloons, now we riding through the sky. We've been up for 2 nights, shining in the moonlight. Little bit of Hennessy just to get the mood right. Baby, let's get higher, I can be the driver. Straight up to the moon, you know I'm a night rider. I'm a night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. I'm on the road, yeah, whipping on my Harley. I'm going fast, girl, I wanna take a ride with you. Left your old man, baby, let me slide in. You got a pass, girl, you know I got some mileage too. New whip got me floating like Aladdin. True shit, shorty, you could be my Jasmine. Night shift, I've been working night shift, yeah. Flight risk when I twist the right wrist, yeah. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Baby, let's get higher, I can be the driver. Straight up to the moon, you know I'm a night rider. I'm a night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Ride with me tonight. Thought you was a rider, don't make me a liar. Slide with me tonight. I know where you reside, you can meet me outside. I'm a night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Baby, let's get higher, I can be the driver. Straight up to the moon, you know I'm a night rider. I'm a night rider, night rider. Night rider, night rider. Night rider, I'm a night rider. Night rider, I'm a night rider, yeah. Cutting it up so high right now. I don't think that I'll ever come down, cause this feels better to me than anybody reality. I'm floating in the air like I'm weightless, flying on a cocaine spaceship. It up so high right now. I don't think that I'll ever come down. I don't know what I took. All I know that I'm hooked. 24 hours got me seeing blue dragons. Molly in the Henny got me speaking different language. Thinking about the world, now my mind go tragic. Thinking about the world, now my mind go tragic. Cutting it up so high right now. I don't think that I'll ever come down, cause this feels better to me than anybody reality. I'm floating in the air like I'm
so strong that you can smell it when I'm passing through. And if I can't smoke, then these edibles will have to do. Yup.
I don't think that I'll ever
KK only though. And you know it's paper planes, we don't do no backwoods and none of that shit. Nope. It's Taylor. Gang.
Flying on a cocaine
And y'all know I'm high as fuck.
Right now, I don't think that I'll ever come down. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever come down. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever come down. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever come down. I don't think I'll ever come down.
Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken. 2 a.m. gonna keep the bottle open. Yeah. It's like these walls just start to close in. Fuck. Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken.
All right, we'll see if we're putting in some highs and lows on the lower time frame here.
It's like these walls just start to close in.
After purging that short-term low,
Lost in my emotions.
right before the open, or this might be, yeah, right at the open.
Careful who you trust, I'm trusting no one.
All right, aiming for that buy side liquidity that we generated, the relative equal highs.
I'm dropping 100 on the dash while I'm smoking.
Just be patient.
Breaking love's chains these days, all I feel is pain. I'm so numb, it don't bother me. All I do is pretend to be okay, fake another smile that's on my face. I just wanna be alone, so let me be. Believe me, I try to push this to the side. Money ain't easy, I do this every other night. Say that they need me, but all I do is question why. Guess it's just my life. Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken. 2 a.m. gonna keep the bottle open. It's like these walls just start to close in. Fuck. Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken. 2 a.m. gonna keep the bottle open. It's like these walls just start to close in. Walls just start to close in. It's like I'm chosen. I'm always the one to lose. Sick inside of coping. No one ever hears me when I'm not okay. Holding back the shit I truly wanna say. Had to pull the knives in my back. Already come into tough love, I'm good at that. Made me think that I'm bulletproof. Fake friends trying to shoot me down. Same ones that I keep around. I don't know what this leading to. Downfall is I hear 'em out. Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken. 2 a.m. gonna keep the bottle open. It's like these walls just start to close in. Fuck. Lost in my emotions. Don't know what I feel, I'm feeling broken. 2 a.m. gonna keep the bottle open. It's like these walls just start to close in.
I'm about to pull out his switchboard curtains, and I've been waiting so long. Now I gotta resurface. Yeah, we about to toast out all the bread and we burning. 'Cause I've been feeling cool top. I've been fucking cool top. Yeah, I'm off the Bud Light, not the bourbon. I might chop the roof off the Suburbans. Try to be a nice guy, John Turner. Till I started throwing up in your Birkin. Then I woke up in the morning, police
post, he took me on my first damn tour date. He had me rocking every night, sold out arenas. A project nigga, I never thought I would see shit. If I tried to tell you, you probably wouldn't believe us. I'm about to pull out his switchboard curtains, and I've been waiting so long. Now I gotta resurface. Yeah, we about to toast out all the bread that we burning. Cause I've been feeling cool top. I've been fucking cool top. To the day I come, to the day I come. Hakasaki and one told me cigarette in my lungs. It's 11 in the morning and we still ain't done. And I'm still that bitch so up. Yeah, we about to toast out all the bread that we burning. Cause I've been feeling cool top. I've been fucking cool top.
Numbers on everything. Hey, do me a favor real quick, bro. Please, I'm on the phone call. Grab me a bag of chips, bro. Please. Appreciate it. Yeah, man, the Corona, man, it really got the money fucked up. Hey, your check, you know the money back. Appreciate that, my boy. Show. Bless. Yeah, no, the money been fucked up, man. So just give me like a week or two. Hold on, let me plan a lot. I'll call you back. Hey, you know they say I'm lucky, bro. So if you hit, I need 50%.
Yeah, I got you. You know. Come on. Whoa. I say $50 million, bro.
Let me get 25.
Bro, that's ain't $50 million.
Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Need that rolling, want me to buy, huh? Take it to ball, hard, spend a couple thousand, huh? You need a nigga to put the mileage on. She talking, I'm proud of her. I put that Prada on. Big drain, gripping lame niggas can't talk like this. Beat the pussy, now she walk like this. They ain't never seen money in a vault like this. Cash money, bling bling when I talk like this. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. I be stunting like my motherfucking dad. Let me go. I'm talking when in 2006 on a private plane, hop out my bitch. When it took like $45,000 for the brand new watch on top of my wrist, and I put it to the Grammys in a Rolls Royce truck with a brand new Glock on the side of my hip. Nigga, please don't turn me up. Don't start with me. Walk in the store, get everything. Shit like a robbery. He checked his girlfriend Instagram. I bet she follow me. I pulled up rockin' Prada boots. My little bitch say she proud of me. They see baby, they like. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Starting on your big spender, yeah. Honey on my wrist, yeah. Starting on your big tipper, yeah. Honey on my bitch, yeah. Through the night, she just want the tip, no advice. On the side of the road with some wrist, roll the dice. If they catch us, I don't care, cause we all gonna die.
that we all gonna die. I was worried to be honest, but it's all going right. When I first laid eyes, I was awful enticed, and I might be off something, but I'm all in now. She got a call in now. I don't think that you should work tomorrow. She said, first of all, I'm still going in like Rich Homie Quan, but with you and me, God, man, it feels so intense. I already seen that movie, but I will go again with you. I got a few I've been tending to, but tonight, I forgot all about them.
Through the night, I would try to get it tonight. Hit a phone on my head like you better do right. I'm alone in the bed, yeah, I know what you said, better cope with it. Don't take me for a joke, and I won't get a friend that's trying to be more than that. I'm convinced that it's sort of that, but when I see you in the pits, I can tell you it's forcing that. I got time for this. Minus the bullshit, I'm cool now. Look at my common sense, and I'm just realizing this. Know my soul is.
All right, we're about 10 minutes out from the 10:30 turn. I want to see if we take that short-term low that we generated right when the news dropped, and then see if we can get a little shift in market structure bullishly from there. All right, we'll check out the 15-minute as well. See, right, if we're creating an imbalance or not, right? Wouldn't want to see us close below the short-term low. I just want to see a wick form, right? If we do come below the short-term low here, right? We just want to see a little wick form. I don't want to see this get left open, right? Or a closure below here, the short-term low here. So just be patient, wait for that.
I know that we got it, I might even guarantee it. When she tied me up and turned me right into a paraplegic pair of shoes. I got the MB on them, make you stare and see them. We ain't paying for them, now you ought to know I'm wearing free ones. When you go to me, I gotta know, is there a reason it was so abrupt? I kinda had to think that there would be one. Conversations out of state, they asking where are we from? I don't care about you, I got me a chick that's Caribbean. She want me to serenade her, but you know I'm bashful. I got all the whippersnappers and the little rascals. Turned up off the way we dripping with Tabasco. Old friends inquiring about the cash flow. Okay, this kush here in the gas station.
Tell me where the cash at.
All right, we still got about 7 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. So if we'll see if we're starting to create some little short-term lows and highs as we approach this short-term low here.
She just want all my love, but I know that it
So tell me where the cash at. I've been on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. I just wanna smash that. Hit it, then I pass back. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. This ain't nothing new. I've been chasing dreams. She been playing games, but there ain't no INT. I stay with my crew. Girl, that's all I need. She been playing games, but there ain't no INT. Nah, there ain't no INT, girl. Team girl, no designer on my feet, girl. Feet girl, I'm tryna pull up in that new whip. That new whip. Check the socks, I'm on my rule shit. My rule shit. And I just in my new thing. She always on a trip. She just wanna do things. I just wanna sit. Shorty got a body, but she don't ever flex. I know she a good girl, but I don't need the stress, nah, cause I don't wanna die too young. But I've been living life too fast, and she just want all my love. But I know that it never lasts. So tell me where the cash at. I've been on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. I just wanna smash that. Hit it, then I pass back. Shorty want my heart, but I can never backtrack. This ain't nothing new. I've been chasing dreams. She been playing games, but there ain't no INT. I stay with my crew. Girl, that's all I need. She been playing games, but there ain't no INT. Hey, hey, hey. Nowadays I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. If it's alright every time we fucking break a sin.
Nowadays shit's not the same. Life switched lanes, now these hoes act strange. And I lost my grip on the world and bliss. It's
Hey, it's so lonely on the east side. I don't give a fuck, I keep it real, I'm not gon' let it slide. Now she see me up, she let me fuck, want me to come inside. Broski going dumb, hopped in the car, he said he down to ride. You a little pup, stop playing tough, ain't make no sacrifice. Yeah, smoking cookie for my appetite. I don't trust nobody, people talking and be telling lies. We just wanna win and shock them all and catch them by surprise. I was tossed it down until we up and then we all rise. Yeah, but niggas don't stick to the G code. Ballin' on my haters, I think that I'm stuck in beast mode. Make it through the foul, run to the line and make the free throw. I think that I'm D-Rose, do 'em like I'm Debo. Hey, but I like to fade away. I got these diamonds on me, and these bitches all in my face. And you wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race. But you cannot ride with me, cause I was gone on a chase. Nowadays, I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays, I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. If it's alright every time we fucking break a sin.
Nowadays shit's not the same. Life switched lanes, now these hoes act strange. And I lost my grip on the world and bliss. It's I think it's so damn strange what these people be saying. I could never even listen to a word that they say. I'm on the west side, that's the best side. By the cliff, smoking blicks, that's the best high. And I got a shawty with the best eyes. Talking shit, girl, why you putting up a fight? I'm in my own world, far from the satellites. They want my information, they get no conversation. Cause nowadays everybody calling. I need a manager cause I can't really fuck with nobody. I can't really fuck with nobody.
Hey, but I like to fade away. I got these diamonds on me, and these bitches all in my face. And you wanna be a star, and you wanna win the race. But you cannot ride with me, cause I was gone on a chase. Nowadays, I'm too cool for a girlfriend. Nowadays, I don't know when the world spins. Live your life like we die when the world ends. If it's alright every time we fucking break a sin.
trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Don't act like you my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. Oh, you stuck in the friend zone. I tell like 4, 5 to 5th. Ay, 100 bands inside my shorts, a chino the shit. Ay, try to stuff it all in, but it don't even fit. Ay, know that I've been with the shits ever since legit. Ay, I made my first million, I'm like shit, this is it. Ay, 34 walk through, man, we had that bitch lit. Ay, had so many bottles, gave ugly girl a sip. Out the window of the Benz, so we get sent in the rent. And I'm like, whoa, man, my legs so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are sore. I got homies, let it go. My money, they will never fall. She said, kid, I have some to hold. And I can never tell you no. Damn, I ain't pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Oh, I ain't pick on psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo. Don't act like you my friend.
Alright, so we'll kind of see what happens from here. But we're putting some short-term highs and lows. We just haven't purged that single low yet. Alright, and it's Friday, so can't expect too much in the back half of the AM session. I'll call it right here. Appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Peace out.